Hey everyone, this is the iView Copilot demonstration. My name is Ivan Gu, and I'm a data scientist at the Quantitative Biomedical Research Center at UT Southwestern. The main purpose for this demo is to show how users may interact with Copilot, which has a large language model backbone. So after you have selected an annotation region, you can open the Copilot system, and it will connect this selected image through Gradio to generate histological descriptions. So here we see there are morphological features, growth patterns, as well as tumor interfaces. There are also some UI functionalities to hide and show images and captions. Besides generating an initial description, you can find our prompt in the paper. You can also ask follow-up questions. So here we'll ask what secondary structure and architecture can be observed in this ROI. And we see the Copilot generates descriptions on solid growth patterns as well as lymphoid aggregates. We would also like to highlight that depending on the user query, we'll utilize RAG to automatically trigger the analysis agents. So let's do one more in which we ask the Copilot to summarize the nuclear distribution in this region. So in this query, RAG chooses the output from HD-YOLO, which is a whole slide image nuclear segmentation algorithm developed by our team, and then outputs its classification results back to user. This includes information on the number of tumor nuclei, stroma, and various other cell types. Also, we can ask the Copilot to summarize the histological descriptions that mimic the writing style of some pathologists on our eyes. You can copy the AI-generated descriptions, then make modifications as necessary. So here, for example, we can add a note to indicate which cancer type was this ROI. We also want to show the multi-user collaboration capability with our iViewer system. So here we previously annotated dummy region. You can click the zoom to annotation function to go to this region that other users have worked on and reference their annotations if needed. And now let's go back to our first annotated region. You can still see the previous comments we entered is still here. And opening the Copilot page will transfer these texts to Gradio. And now again, we ask what's the cancer type and ask the Copilot to provide insights and potential diagnostics. And based on what we entered previously, that this is a lung cancer host slide, the Copilot further inferred that it might be non-small cell lung cancer. It also outputs several histological insights, which expert pathologists can review and modify. It also talks about the potential tools that can further diagnosis, such as immunohistochemistry and molecular testing. But very importantly, we purposely made the Copilot to only answer questions based on input descriptions, which helps minimizing the hallucinations that are common in large language models.